So from this to this, stay with us guys, and we'll show you how to restore your faded car paint in just a few minutes. Super easy, okay, and we'll share the secret with you. So let's start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to polish faded car paint guys. How to make your faded car paint look like brand new again without repainting your car. Stay with us guys, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime guys, okay, we'll have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. Please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about the results. So let's start on it now. So, we have that Mazda guys here. It's a 2011 model. Believe it or not, car paint faded. Okay, because people didn't take care of it. And if you don't polish your vehicle, you have bird poop on top of it, on top of the paint. Okay, that bird poop will go ahead and eat your clear coat. Why? Okay, because there is no protection. This is the original paint on this Mazda. Okay, headlights were super faded too. We have the video how to restore those. This is what we have after we restored it. And we just need to wash it now because it's a little bit greasy, but you can get the idea guys. The result is just amazing. So, now, listen here guys. Okay, this is the not polished paint. Listen, and when I go to the polished one, you will notice how smooth it is. Okay, that's just unbelievable guys. So, we'll show you guys what we use now, and we can go ahead and start on it. So first step guys, we'll be using Mother's California Gold Clay Bar Kit. This one will be listed in the description of the video below, please check it out. This thing is amazing. Okay, that roughness, okay, that is contamination in the clear coat. When we use the clay bar, it's going to remove the old wax and it will remove that contamination. And it will be smooth like here. You will be amazed guys how smooth your paint will get. Even on the box, okay, they have before and after, and they don't lie about that stuff. This is amazing. So you just spray with the detailer spray, okay, instant detailer, spray the area. I would recommend to do half of the hood at the most, maybe quarter of the hood, because you don't want that thing to dry, and you just keep going back and forth guys, okay, back and forth. Do not go in circles, just back and forth. That way it will be easy to polish as well. And we're going to catch our line here a little bit, so later we can buff that and we don't have that choking distance here. All that contamination will be on the clay bar. Let us show you now on the bottom. Okay, you can see that it's turning black. Okay, that's contamination from the paint, from the clear coat. So we're going to do this half, okay, and then we'll do the rest. You can see it doesn't take much time guys, okay, it's super quick, but this thing makes everything super easy to polish. Okay, everything's smooth, so it will buff out really easy. Okay, you can see in no time, and the water that will be running off of the hood will be extremely contaminated, yellowish in color, because all that is burnt clear coat and contamination on top of it. So we're ready with that. Okay, what we'll do now, okay, we're going to save ours because we've been using it on probably more than 5 cars now, the whole kit, and it still works amazing. You can just buy a detailer spray if you run out. Okay, they sell that separate, so you can check it out. Now what we'll be doing next guys, okay, we'll get a microfiber towel and we're going to go ahead and wipe, okay, wipe the hood, make sure that everything is wiped and we don't have that contamination there anymore. We will let it dry. It will probably take just a minute or even less. It's almost dry. You can see it still doesn't look good, right? Okay, it's still bad, but listen now, we don't have any difference here in roughness of the paint. So what we'll be using next guys, okay, next we'll be using Meguiar's Ultimate Compound Color and Clarity Restorer. All that will be listed in the description of the video below. You can see before and after, and they don't lie about that stuff. Check it out. That's what we have before and after. We're going to apply a thin amount, okay. Ours, we just broke our bottle the other day. So we're applying from the side, if you're wondering why. Okay, that's good. And you want to do that outside of the sunshine. Okay, don't do it in sunlight. You want to be away from sunlight. So do it in your garage or under a shade tree. Okay, perfect. We're going to do that. We can apply a little bit on the fender too there, because it's a flat spot. Okay, you can see. And next, guys, okay, I will be using right here polisher. Okay, that one will be listed in the description of the video below. And we're going to buff it between 17 and 1900 RPMs, and don't stay too long in one spot because you can burn your clear coat. So, you can see it takes a little bit of time to buff everything. We're going to get a microfiber towel now. Okay, and we're going to wipe everything. Okay, perfect, guys. You can see just like that. Okay, that difference, it's almost gone. We still have a little bit of difference. You can see here it's okay. You can definitely see, oh my dirty fingers, how deep of a shine here we have. Okay, here it's a little bit of a shallow shine. Here it's deep crystal clear shine. So what we'll be using next, guys, very thin amount of the professional show car glaze. This one I'll recommend to do it by hand. Okay, that's too much probably that is too much, guys. This thing, okay, goes long ways. Little bit of it goes long ways. You can see it covers everything super nice and easy. What do? We leave it out of the sunshine and we let it dry, okay, just for a few minutes, and we'll show you what to do next. Okay, so we get a microfiber towel, clean one, and we just start rubbing that thing off. Okay, and I'm going to come this way so I can probably show you a little bit better. Okay, you just start polishing it, guys, okay, and take that wax off. Okay, this one, it's super nice, super crystal clear shine. You can definitely see the reflection of that building there, our own reflection as well. You can see how much it improves the quality of the paint. It's just unbelievable, guys. So this is, guys, the method that we use. Hopefully, guys, it will be something that you consider. You can see that's what it looks like with the wax, and we just, okay, keep removing it. It will be stuck sometimes. But once it comes off, guys, okay, my camera has a hard time focusing here because of all that shine, guys. It's extremely shiny. So, hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful, okay? Don't forget, guys, okay, to check out our channel as well. Last step will be to use, okay, that microfiber towel that comes with the clay bar kit. Okay, this one is extremely soft to the touch, and it cleans everything super good. So, thank you guys for watching. Okay, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.